Hello and welcome to A-Reliable Craftsman. We're African-American tradesmen for the last 45 years, and we very much so appreciate having a team, and that's what we got here. We got Jeremiah and we got Ethan handy. These brothers work out every day, and they said they ain't scared of no challenge. So 708-654-1823, when you have to have the best, call a team that's gonna be reliable and invest in the future. These gentlemen and Ian, who's on the camera, are our future. Services Reliable 8, the only licensed African-American solid surface fabricator in Illinois that can ship, fabricate, and install. And I got the brothers here to prove it. Okay, now we also want you to know here at A-Reliable Craftsman, we have learned this trade from our ancestors. We're looking for other professionals in all industries, administrators, accountants, project managers, bookkeepers, artists, and most of all, investors. So African American people can come to our company and have a great place to work and take care of their families from being a part of a business. These are the A-frames. Ethan's bringing them in. He's going to set them up. That stone is going to go on top of those A-frames, one on each side, just like we transported it. And then this job will soon be a wrap once we get these slabs on the cabinets. Okay, so when it has to be done right and fast, hey, call the experts. A-Reliable, 45 years. Projects are the DeSalvo Museum, Harris Bank, 80 Bar and the Water Tower, KLM Roar Airlines, Baja Beach Club. That's us. Thank you.